What's up guys, it's Steve for Tech. Today we're gonna unbox Apple AirPods Pro 2 titanium copy. So let's just unbox this. First thing, on the back side we have the Apple AirPod branding, downside we have the Apple specification list, Apple AirPods Pro, down there again, and then Apple AirPods in active noise cancellation 100%. So let's just unbox this thing. Manual and some paperwork. Designed by Apple California, Apple AirPods Pro, and that's how the user manual looks. Then we have the Apple AirPods Pro 2, which are wrapped same as the original ones. This way it's a little bit heavier. And then we have some plastic work. Then inside the box we have the Type-C to Lightning port cable. The ear tips inside the box, which is having 3 different sizes: small, medium and large. Let's just take this aside and moving on towards the AirPods Pro 2. It's having the same branding as original Apple AirPods Pro 2. It's having written that designed by in California, assembled in Japan. Then we have lanyard, hook, and down below we have the lightning port, buzzer, and this buzzer will let you know that you are not connected with any of the devices, and every time you turn on the lid it will pop up a buzzer sound like this. Inside the lid you can see we have some serial numbers and some instructions, and then we have on the front side we have the light, and each on the earpod we are having serial number down below. It's having exact same size and exact same everything compared to the original Apple AirPods. Let's just connect this thing with our iPhone and see how it works like. Okay, every time you open up the lid when it's disconnected, it just pops up like this, and you have to connect. You have to tap on the button on connect, and also on the back side you have to hold the button. Let me just show you like this. Now it's connected and it will show you that it's connecting. After skipping all this, you'll be shown the battery life of both of the things. Okay, after setting up everything, let me just show you how it works. Like on tap, it just pauses the song, and if it's paused, it just starts the song back, plays the song back. And if you just hold it for a while, it can change the transparency mode from off to transparency, and if it's on transparency, it can change from transparent to noise cancellation, and it can be changed from like this. Okay, and then moving on towards the other things such as stereo mode, which is off, fixed, and also head tracked. These things are also available in this specific Apple AirPods Pro 2 copy, but these doesn't work seamlessly compared to the original Apple AirPods. These are just fake menus which are enabled for you. And then moving back towards the official menu of the Bluetooth settings, you're gonna see that we have all the same options, same as the Apple AirPods Pro 2, and it's not showing any warning that you are using the fake ones. Talking about the transparency mode is just boosting the outdoor noises, and if you're using noise cancellation, it's just gonna muffle up the outdoor noises, and you're gonna feel an atmosphere where you're gonna feel that you are having in a vacuum environment, and the sounds are going to be pretty much good. So, and the bass is also good. And here's a test that how to spot that you are using the fake Apple AirPods. The first thing is the casing. There's a difference you can see. You can easily pop this thing out. And then we have a light test, for which we are gonna turn off the light, and then we are gonna show you the projection of the casing, which is gonna show that there is nothing inside this whole bracket. Like, okay, let me just show you like this. Okay, and this shows that there is no such specific material inside this casing. There's just one thing, which is like a hinge, nothing else. You can see it's all empty inside, which means these are fake. Overall, in $15, under $15, you are getting amazing sound quality and all those transparency and noise cancellation mods and those pop-up menus without any warning of not using the original Apple product. To buy this product, I'll share the link in the description so that you can buy this easily and have fun of same Apple original AirPods transparency and other mods and noise cancellation. So that's all for today. If you like this video, go subscribe my channel, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks guys.